Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to get new updates of the WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to get the latest update for the WhatsApp, you can have to follow some steps. Open the Google Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for the WhatsApp. Now tap on the WhatsApp Messenger. Before updating the app, make sure to back up your chats. You can easily update WhatsApp from your phone's app store. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.